Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com. Today's tutorial is on SMC regulators that are found on the end of printheads on most M&R screen printing or t-shirt printing presses. And people love these and they hate them because these nuts right here either break or get lost, and then these regulators go inside the printhead, and it's a big problem. Sometimes people use these conduit ones for electrical conduit nuts, and they're the wrong thread, and eventually they will be hit out as well. And press operators usually adjust these, and then they'll hit these in too hard, and it'll go through the face plate. So here is the modification that you can do. It's not perfect, but let's do it. So if you look at the back end of this regulator, you'll see that there's a hole here and a hole there. So what we're going to do is we are going to drill the faceplate. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this back in here. Maybe take a nut from another one that is good, tighten it. So we're going to tighten this. Don't over tighten them because they break. What we're going to do is we're going to use these holes as a pilot, and we're going to use a smaller one first and try to get it centered, and then we're going to go drill. Then we're going to drill the hole bigger on this side, and I've already done it because this video would take too long to do it. So, okay. So I bought some screws at Ace Hardware. I think it's better than going to Home Depot. They have more selections. So I bought some 440 screws with a flat head. It's smaller because there's not much room from this hole to this opening. We got to be very careful when we drill. So I'm going to slide this in, and it'll come out the other end. Look at that. Oh, it's hard to do. Okay, here it is. And I got some lock nuts, not the ones with the plastic thread. I wish I had those. Maybe you want to put some Loctite on it. So that's one side. Okay. And let's do the other side. Boom. So like I said, it's not perfect. Make it perfect. Make a video. Do better than I do. Okay. So we're going to tighten this, and this is going to protrude further. So tighten it a little bit. Maybe you want to use Allen head screws. Maybe they're smaller instead. So, okay. So you could see it's a little bit out, but it's pretty good right now. And if I take this nut out, maybe you want to use that conduit nut again, but it's not pretty. You could see it's a little bit off, but look at it, it's pretty good. So, and then you can go like that, but I don't suggest that, and that's why they break. So that is one option. The other option is to use a 6/32 screw, and but I don't recommend it, or a screw like this, and you know, it'll self-tap the plastic, and eventually it'll pop out as well. The other option is using a zip tie. Not great. Or a non-stranded wire, and then you simply go like this. This is the cheap way of doing it. Maybe not use copper. And that will hold it against the plate. Look at this. Is the other problem is the regulator knob breaks off, and then you have to use pliers to adjust it. Okay, so please subscribe and like my videos, and go to screenprintexchange.com to post free classifieds and other topics. Thank you. Bye.